$1,500 per month is how much this one single sticker listing is generating every single month on Etsy. And in today's video, we're going to take a look at that listing, and then I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it too without any design skills, without any kind of an audience to sell it to, and without stocking any inventory whatsoever. This is quite literally the ideal business model. Stickers are incredibly easy to make and sell, and Etsy has all of the buyers that you need to purchase your stickers. So buckle up and get excited, because I'm going to show you exactly how to create these stickers using Kittl's AI design tool. And then we're going to dive into the selling and fulfillment process. So this is a full tutorial, so you should have no questions at the end of this. But of course, if you do, go ahead and leave those down below and I'll be happy to answer them for you. So without further ado, let's get started. So we are over on Etsy, and here is a best-selling sticker. And as we can see, it's just a very simple cat on a book with some wildflowers. And then if we scroll down, we can see that this particular item has 1,088 reviews. So that means it has probably sold 3 to 4 times that amount. They're charging $6 for this one sticker. And if we scroll down to the bottom, they're also charging $3.50. So I know a lot of people, when they're considering selling stickers, they think that they can't charge very much for this and there's like no profit in it. However, as you can see, charging $6 for the sticker and $3.50 for shipping is going to leave you about $3 or so in profit after all of your expenses. And the cool thing is, stickers are inexpensive and customers often buy more than one. And when they do that, your profit margins are going to raise because you're going to save on shipping costs with the more that they buy. And then if we pull up this analytic tool here, it is showing that this is doing $3,273 per month in estimated revenue. It's going to give you some good data on what a best-selling sticker can do. So first, we have to look at how much this is going to cost us to fulfill this item. So over on Printify, this is the best-selling sticker, and Printify will print and ship these to your customers for you, so you don't have to handle any inventory. So it is $1.07 for the sticker and $4.29 for the shipping. But if we come over here and we look at this shipping right here, each additional item is going to be 9 cents. So if someone buys multiple stickers from you, then the extra stickers are going to create more profit for you. My profit calculator, and what we're going to do first is type in the cost that we just saw from Printify, $1.07, the shipping cost that we will be paying $4.29. Now, if you remember over on Etsy, that best-selling listing, they were charging $6 for their sticker and $3.50 for shipping. So if we go ahead and hit calculate, we can see our estimated profit is $2.79. Doesn't sound like a lot. However, because these are so inexpensive, people like to buy lots of them. So let's take a look if someone buys multiples. So if someone buys 2, then we're going to go ahead and double the price the customer pays, the material costs, and then add the 9-cent shipping costs for us. And so 2 would earn you $7.06. And so let's say that we are looking at this profit margin of 46%, and we look at this estimated monthly revenue of $3,273. So that would bring us down to about $1,500 profit per month for this one sticker listing. Now I'm over on Kittl, and this is the key to designing these stickers and coming up with your very own unique graphics. So as you can see, these are some of the stickers that I have made with Kittl's AI tool. This really cute bunny. Here is some cats on books, some frog stickers. See, we got a strawberry, we did a cat eating ramen noodles, this little chibi cat with a hoodie. And so in this video, I'm going to design some frog stickers, and then we are going to go over and load them up to Printify, and publish them to Etsy so they are ready to sell. So we're going to use this AI tool right here, and you can sign up for Kittl free down below with a link in the description to test this out for yourself. So we're just going to describe what we want to see, and then we're going to select the clip art style, and I really like to use the kawaii icon. I just think it turns out really cute for stickers, and so we're going to type in cute fat frog, and maybe let's have it on some books like the cat one that we saw, on books with wildflowers. Now let's hit generate image and see what it creates for us. So it takes just a minute here to create the image, and we're just going to wait and be surprised together. So there we go. We have our own version of that cat sticker that we saw, and the cat was sitting on books with some flowers. And so now we can use some totally different keywords and get this for sale on Etsy and hopefully create a bestseller for ourselves. Now, let me tell you why I chose a frog instead of a cat. Because when I was researching stickers on Etsy, I came across fat frog sticker as a keyword, and I can see that's getting 200 searches per month on Etsy. However, the competition is only 96. So the chances of getting a sale as a new store when you're only competing with 96 other listings is huge. Okay, so let's capitalize on these 200 searches and use fat frog sticker as a keyword in our listing so that we can get found, right? We don't need an audience for this. We're going to tap into Etsy's customers that are already looking to buy. So if you wanted to, you could add some text to this right here in Kittl, like I did with this one. I also created another sticker with this one and added some text just right here. But for this tutorial, we're going to go ahead and use this one as our example. So all you need to do now is download this with a transparent background. And then we're going to pop over to Printify and load it up. Now we're over on Printify, and you can find the stickers by going to Catalog, and you can go to Bestsellers, and then you will be able to find this Kiss Cut stickers under their bestsellers. And then we can go ahead and click on Start Designing. And if you don't have an account set up with Printify yet, I will link a full tutorial down below on exactly how to set the account up so you can get these stickers rocking and rolling. Now, all you need to do is go ahead and click on My Device and upload the image that you had just downloaded. So here it is, and we can stretch this out and make it a bit bigger to fit in the box here. You just want to keep an eye on this and make sure that it says that it is high resolution, and that looks like it is there. And now we can go ahead and hit preview and see what this will look like in actual sticker form. So there we have our sticker, and we can also see what it would look like on a laptop, which a lot of people do with their stickers. Okay, that looks really cool. And then there's also the option, instead of transparent, you can also do white, which I personally prefer, but you can sell both if you would like. That's what it looks like with the white. And what I also like to do is create my own mock-up. As you can see, Printify does give you some mock-ups, but a lot of the best sellers, you can see that they have a person's hand holding the sticker. So what I like to do is just make sure that it is on the white one, so you can see this nice little sticker border, and then I just take a screenshot of it. So I use TechSmith Capture to screenshot this, and then I'm going to take it over to Canva and make a quick mock-up. So under Canva's elements, they just have these hands, and so you can just select one of the hands. Under the elements right here, I typed in hands, and we can go to photos. See all of these different hands pop up, and then you can select one that looks good. And so let's say that you want to use this hand right here. Then all you're going to have to do is use this little turn thing to turn it to the side. And you can pull this down. You can even flip it if you would like it to be a different direction. Bring your sticker photo on top. Go ahead and remove the background. And then we can just turn this just a little bit. Now this isn't perfect because we're not using Photoshop here. I am not a Photoshop expert. I am not an amazing graphic designer, but if I can do this, you can definitely do this as well. For me in business, I'm not a perfectionist. I'm not an overthinker. I just do it so it looks fairly good or okay to the average person's eye, right? If someone is a designer, they will probably look at this and think, I could have done a way better job, and I'm sure they could. But this will absolutely get the job done. And so now we have our mock-up for our listing. And then you can just go ahead and download this as a PNG. And for Etsy listings, they like them to be at least 2,000 pixels wide. So we are going to do a 2,000 by 2,000 for this and download it as a PNG. Now we can go back to Printify where we originally left off and save our product since we have our mock-up ready to go. We do have a couple other mock-ups up there. We're going to go ahead and fill out our listing here. So this is our title, and this is where you would want to put keywords so that customers can actually find your listing. So these are things that people are typing into Etsy to search to find this product. And I do all of my research using Sales Samurai that I just showed you a minute ago. So I would do something like Fat Frog sticker, Frog Lover gift, Kawaii Frog sticker, journal decals, water bottle decal, cottage core planner stickers. Just get a various amount of keywords in here, taking up all 140 characters. They would be from low competition keywords to medium and then to high. And then you would want to get some of those keywords into a paragraph in the description describing these stickers. You do want to include some bullet points here for your customer that you would get from the Printify information. Over under the shipping information on Printify, it said that this company is shipping within about 3 days. So we'll just put our production time, give a little bit of extra wiggle room, so 3 to 7 days, and shipping time about 2 to 5 days. Thanks for supporting my small business. We're going to set up a new shipping profile that we will edit once we get over to Etsy. We can go ahead and edit our pricing here. And we're going to go ahead and make this $6. Apply. And so these profit margins right here are not accurate because it's not taking into account Etsy fees and all of that, which we did already calculate previous in this video. So when it comes to variant visibility, I'm just going to leave it on this one for now. And then we're going to go ahead and sync everything here from Printify and hit publish. This is going to publish it over to Etsy, and it will only do that if you've already set up your Printify account here and connected it to your Etsy store. So I have done that. I'm going to go ahead and hit publish. So then we are over on the Etsy dashboard under listings, and this is where we can go ahead and upload that mock-up photo that we created in Canva. Now I'm going to drag that over there for my thumbnail photo, and if we need to, we can zoom in just a little bit like this so that we can see it a lot bigger and hit save. And now we're going to scroll down. We have our title there that we already did in Printify. And all of these are going to stay as is. This is under the sticker category. And do primary color green, width 2 inches by 2 inches, occasion birthday, holiday, Christmas, theme animals. We're going to put this on automatic renewal. This is a physical product. We already have our description written out there. I would definitely add a little more to the paragraph here. You would select your print provider, which is Printify. If you haven't added that in, you can do so right here. We're going to do section stickers, and then you're going to put your tags in. When you're in the research tool, there are a bunch of great tag suggestions down here that you can add to your listing. You would just make sure that you start typing them all in with the commas, and you want to make sure that you put all 13 in here and add those. Then we added the material vinyl stickers, and then we can scroll down. And then we are going to go ahead and edit our shipping profile right here. All right, so we're going to leave all of this as is because Printify published that over for us. We're going to do 2 to 7 days for processing time. And then for shipping service, we are going to do USPS first class, and then we decided we were going to charge $3.50 per item, and then 9 additional cents for each extra product. And then we can delete Canada and everywhere else. And then we can hit save. Once your shipping profile is all set, then you can really just type anything in here because we're not actually doing the shipping. Printify is doing it. And I have a no return or exchange policy, and I would recommend that. Then we're going to hit publish. We can see our listing live and ready for purchase. So I hope you create some incredible stickers using Kittl. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask those down below. Also, down in the description, I'm going to leave a ton of resources for you, including 2 other Kittl tutorials that I have done for t-shirts and another sticker video as well. So make it an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video.